show you how to make our tagliatelle dish, which is with a truffle oil, and we're also going to do tiny little brunoise of vegetables, which will be, mirepoix, which will be carrot, celery, chilli, and a bit of chopped parsley to go with it. The first part is now to make the dough. We're going to use 100 grams of durum wheat and 1 whole egg, and I find those quantities work particularly well. I'm also going to put a little pinch of salt in there, just to bring out the flavour. The grated the yolk up, and I'm now going to just bring that together. Texture for this is all important, so if you just have a quick look, you can see everything has come together quite nicely. And I'm now just going to work this into a dough until I'm happy with the texture. If it needs more moisture, then I will add it. Now, as it happens, I'm reasonably happy with that. I say reasonably happy because the reality is, as I start putting it through the machine, the dough will kind of work itself. So I'm just going to put it in like so. And I'm going to keep putting it through and folding it every time I put it through. So it goes through, folding it in half, turning it by 90 degrees on the same setting, just, you know, 4 or 5 times. And now you can start working down the various numerals for this. So that's on 8, and I'm going to carry on going down through the numbers, turning it by 90 degrees every time until we get number 1, and I'm just going to send it through once. I'm very happy with that. I've now got our pasta ready for cutting. You can do it by hand, but actually, why do it by hand when you can just feed it through one of these? So through it goes. And there we have lovely tagliatelle. I'm just going to lay that on there. In a second, we'll put some hot water on, blanch it. We'll be back the other side. So I'm going to take our lovely tagliatelle and just shove it in a pan of boiling water. This probably takes about 90 seconds. So I reckon that's ready. It should have a bit of a bite to it. I'm going to add some truffle oil. And I'm also going to season, because it definitely needs it, having just tasted it. And now for the plating up. I'm going to add the brunoise now, which is, as I mentioned earlier, it's celery, a little bit of diced chilli, a little bit of carrot in there, and then finally some parmesan. But there you have homemade tagliatelle with chilli